LCM and HCF of numbers. See, this is a chapter which seems to be very easy, but there can be some complicated questions. We need to do them. Fine. See, LCM is least common multiple. That means the one which is least common, okay, which shouldn't be common, and this is the highest common factor. So amongst all the factors what you have, this is the highest common factor. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So let's take the first question. You need to find the HCF of 72, 60 and 96. How many of you know what is HCF? Do you know how to solve HCF? Hello?
Yes, sir, I know how to solve it.
Do you know how to do this?
Yes, sir.
See, very simple. First, find out the factors. So 96, we can do one thing. Can we write this? Can we write this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
32 3s are 96, correct? Now,
Yes. Yes.
again we would try to break. So what we can do? Find out common things in them. So we can write 4 into 2 into 9, correct? 4 into 3 into 5, correct? 4 into 8 into 3, correct? So 4 is
Yes.
there. 4 is there or not? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Or else this 96 would go in 12. Do you think 96 would go in 12? 96 would go in 12 or not? 12 8s are what?
96.
Yeah, so can you write this as in, see, we can do in one step. We can take time to solve this. If I want to do in one step, so what is the HCF? What is the HCF?
12.
That's it, finish. Why? Because 12 is common in all. This do not have any other common factors. Either this is the way, in one step you can kill it, or else you can do in this way also. So 4 has come. Now 9, I can write 3 into 3. So 3, 3 and 3. But you know this 2 and again no 2 is there. No, here you have 2, but you are not finding any other common factor. So 12 is the HCF. So this is in one step. This is in number of steps. So in examination, you can do this and try to save your time. Okay. Chalo. All of you note this down. Question number 2. Now try and find out the LCM of this number and tell me what's the answer. Come on, do the LCM of this. Yes. All of you, what are you doing? I'm not getting an answer from you.
Doing, sir, doing.
Acha, acha, okay. Will it take this much time for you?
No, sir. Actually, I did, but I made some mistakes, so I'm redoing it.
Okay. No one is giving answer. Is this so tough?
No, sir, just 1 minute, 1 minute more.
See, 36. 6 into 6, 6 into 8. Okay. And this one we can write what? 8 into 8, 8 into 9. Correct? Correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
But what is happening is there is nothing like common what we can take. So what we can do is 8 is what we can take aside. Correct? Because 8 is there everywhere, and here also like 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 2. So here 8 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there, and 8 is there. So 8 we can take. Rest of the things what you can do? You can take, this is 3 into 3. So this 9 can I take? Because here also you are finding 3, here also. Okay, you can do one thing. Either you can do in this way also. Okay, because there are something which are not common in that. So we cannot tell that what is the LCM. In my opinion, 9 into 8 is 72. And this 9 is there and 8 is there. Here also 8 into 8 is 64. 8 is already present here. 6 into 8, 8 is already present here. Only this is not having 8. This is 6 into 6. So 8 definitely is there and 9 is there, and this 6 I can write 12 3s are 36. See, I will tell you how to do. 36, 48, 64, 72. So we should see which number has all the common factors. That number we can take. Here I can write 9 into 8, 72. Here I can write 12 into 3, 36. Correct? Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
And here this 3 is a part of this. And it is 6 into 8 here. It is even like, what we say, 6 into 8 into 8. And here even 6 into 8. So this is there. So 9, and this I can write 3 into 2. So 3 is there in 9. and here 8 is already there. So 8 I can take, of course. 9, 3 is there here, 3 is there here, correct? So 9, they are a part of 9, correct? I can take 9. Because when you take the LCM, last if there are some numbers repeating, you will take that number common and you'll take 1, 1, 1, correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Last is
So
3 only,
instead
sir.
of, yeah, so I can take 9 which has all the numbers 9 which has 3 every time. 8 I can take because 8, 8, 8 3 times it is repeating, and this 4 into 3 I can write. So
4,
here
6.
also 9 is there. 9 is already there, and here 3 is a part of 9, and here 4 is a part of 8. So I can take 72. Can I take 72? Can I take 72 or not? Okay, let's do this. I can take 72. Now 72 is the biggest number which has almost all the factors. Okay, fine, you do it this way. 36, 48, 64. I will explain you the tricks afterwards. Don't worry. First you do this in this method. So what we can take 2. 18 twos are, 24 twos are, 32 twos are, 36 twos are 2. 9 twos are, 12 twos are, 16 twos are, 18 twos are 2. 9.
सर ऐसे ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से करें तो मेरे को 1152 आया सर.
आया था आपको आंसर 576 आना.
576.
You should get 576. 8 twos are 16, 9 twos are 18. Then again 2. So 9, then 3, then
3,
4, then
4,
9. Again I can take 3. So 3,
3,
1, 4, 3.
4,
So here again there is nothing. I can take 3 again.
3,
So
1,
1, 1, 4, 1. Okay.
4,
So now you multiply
4.
everything.
सर वो 4 को हम 1 क्यों नहीं किए सर?
Up. Okay. Take like that. Why will you do again? So 2 twos are 4, 8, 16. 16 threes are 48. 48 threes are what?
144.
Into 4.
576.
Yes.
अरे सर मेरे को भी सेम ही आया सर, वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में मिस्टेक हो गया.
Next. Find the HCF of come on, do this. See, if you want, just a second.
सर है
Sorry.
सर हाँ सर
No, if you want to do LCM of this, you can do it in a very shortcut way. In fact, I thought of explaining you after the session, like when you get habituated to this. 36, 48, 64, 72. So what you can do is simply, where is that? Okay. 36, 48, 64, 72. LCM of this. How you can do in a shortcut way? So you can do prime factorization. 36. What is the factors of this? You can write 4 into 9. Correct?
सर आंसर भी 36 है सर
9 है, 576 है.
इसका भी आंसर
ये LCM है बॉस. क्वेश्चन मैं आपको शॉर्टकट ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ हाँ सर ओके ओके
इसको 2 स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट दिस एज 3 स्क्वायर. करेक्ट और रॉन्ग?
करेक्ट सर
48. What you can write? 6
2
into 8
into
is 48. I can write this as 2 cube, and this I can write what? Correct?
करेक्ट सर
So I can write 2 power 4 into 3. Fine. Any problem?
नो सर
64. What you can write?
2 power 3 into 2 power 3
And next one, 72. What you can write?
3 power 3 2
So
3
now
power
what
3
do you think? What we can take?
we can take 2 common sir because they are in everything
See, we can take, just a second. Now we can take the biggest power of 2. Correct? We can take the biggest power of 2. So biggest power of 2 would be what here?
2 power 6
2 power 6. And then biggest power of 3 is what?
3
Correct? What is the biggest power of 2?
2%.
And what is the biggest power of 3?
3 power 2
And what is the answer now?
9.
What is the answer? 2 power 6 is how much? How much? Come on.
64
2 power 6 is? Right on. What's the answer?
576
You can do in this way also, okay? So what you need to do is you need to take the highest power what it has. So I was telling you directly also this one there. I will give you one more shortcut trick after this question. Okay, but first you focus on this question now. Let us do the HCF.
sir 36 is the answer
Which one? HCF?
yes sir
Let me check 1 second.
for the previous one you gave 928 and 1500
No, HCF is 32.
32
Yeah.
हाँ सर 32
Yeah.
32 sir 16 into 2
So it's a very big question, isn't it so? So what you need to do in this is, See, it's not that easy to do this kind of questions directly. Very tough. So first what we need to do is smallest two numbers. And we'll do a division method. 1 times, what is the remainder? Okay. What is the divide? What did you get the remainder?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the divisor?
928. 1, sir.
What's the remainder? What's the divisor?
572. 1.
Again, what's the remainder? What's the divisor? What's the remainder?
128.
What's the remainder again?
96.
Yeah, again you need to take the divisor once. What's the remainder?
32.
Again the divisor
2. 3.
remainder 0. So what's the divisor? What's the HCF?
32.
But before confirming this as HCF, before confirming, you should again divide this with 2016 and check whether it's a divisor or it's a common factor for this or this also not. Okay, whether this is a common factor for this number also or not, you need to check it. So how will you check it? 32 6 are how much? What's the remainder? How much?
3.
So is this also a factor of this? So the HCF is what? 32. Come on, do this. These are the simple questions. Don't expect these kind of questions in exam. Just basics. Come on, I'm giving you one more question. Please try this. Come on, do this question. See, let me do the first question for you. Please remember, first remove the decimals. If I remove the decimals, okay, can I write this as 40? Can
Yes,
I
sir.
write this as
64.
hello? No, see, after decimal there is just one place. I am removing this and I am adding 0. I am taking 640 here and I am taking what? 16. Okay. Now what we can do here? Actually it is 6.40. So this is 0.4 I can write is 0.54 I can write 0.40. 6.4 I can write 6.40. 0.16 is 0.16 itself. I am making it 2 decimals. I am trying to make it equivalent to 2 decimal places. Correct or wrong? Hello? All
Correct,
of
sir.
you. The
Correct,
question given to you is 0.4, 6.4 and 0.16. This number has 2 numbers after the decimal. This number has one number after decimal. This number has one number after decimal. I am trying to make them equivalent in such a way that they would be compatible. That means here it has how many decimal places after decimal? How many numbers are there?
2.
So I am trying to make the other numbers even in such a way that they should be 2 decimal places. They should be having 2 decimal places in there. So here 0.4 I made it 0.40, this I made it 6.40, this I made it 0.16. Now I am removing the decimal and I am writing the numbers 40, 640, 16. So what's the LCM? Why 640 is the LCM? 640 can I write in this way? 640 320 into 2. Can I write like this? Can I write this or not?
Yes.
And can I write 320 as 40 into 8 into 2? Can I write this? Can I write this? Can I write this or not?
yes, sir.
So 40 is there in 640
Yes, sir.
and 8 2s are 16. 16 is there in 640. But tell me it is there or not? 40 into 16 is what? This is the LCM. Now, but there is a twist. The answer should also be in decimals. So now, after decimal, how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there after decimal? In all of them. I converted, na?
2 numbers.
Now what will I do? I will bring back this to the same position. 6.40. Okay. So this is your LCM. When 640 can be the LCM of 40 and 16. So 6.4 can be LCM of 0.40 and 0.16. Come on, note this down. All of you, just focus on this question. I am giving you a formula. You try to finish and tell me the answer. LCM of a fraction is equivalent to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Come on, do this. First you do one thing. You change this improper fraction to proper fraction. So I am changing it. 1 by 2, 6 by 1, 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 1, 27 by 2. Now you have numerators, you have denominators. Find out the answer and tell me. Okay, just small change. It is 15 by 2. Now you do it. What's the answer? See, 15, 6,
20.
27. So highest factor is what? 3 cube, correct? Highest power into 2 into 5. What's the LCM? Correct? Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
270 by. What's the LCM?
HCF.
Sorry, HCF, na?
Yes, sir.
The common factor is just 1. Because here 2 into 1, 1 into 1, 2 into 1. So 1 is the common factor. So answer is 270. Can you do the next question? Arey, why you people are like not doing things? Kya hai? There is any connectivity issue or you're not able to hear my voice? What's the problem? Are you following?
Nice. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if, see, I'll write the formula, you try.
Yes, sir.
Come on, do this. But first you need to change this improper fraction to proper fraction.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Two, 3 minutes, sir.
What?
कर रहे हैं सर, ट्राइंग सर.
What? Sorry.
ट्राइंग सर.
हाँ. What is that? You are not able to.
Doing sir, 1 minute.
Arey, doing in the sense, if you take 1 hour for this question, then how will you do other questions? 15 these are 45. 45 plus 11 is what? Now what is that? HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. Let's do HCF.
सर पॉइंट्स में आ रहा है सर आंसर
6 is already there. 6 you can take. And here what is the common factor? No common factor, correct? Correct or wrong?
करेक्ट सर
So the HCF is what?
6.
It's like,
6, sir.
what did I give you the question? 72? Okay, and what is the LCM of denominator? So 12 6 are 72. Actually, I think 7 6 of 8 8 9s are 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. So now the equation would change now. So here what we can do is 4 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 3 into 2. So in this 2 is common. According to me, you will not get any other factors. 2 is the HCF in them. Can you take any other number? 3 is not there in this. So I'll rule out. And 4 is there. Here 4 is there. And here even 4 is there. Correct? Okay, let's take this. 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. So I can take 8. 8 is the factor because how?
सर 8 ही आया सर मेरे को भी
8 is the HCF. And
Yes,
what's the
sir.
LCM?
900
900.
yes sir
So 9, 3 square, 15, 3 into 5, 100. It's again 20 into 5, or I can write like 10 square. So okay, so 3 square is the biggest factor into like what I can do is this 10 square also I can write 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 5 square into 2 square. So I can take 5 square, I can take 2 square. Okay. So 9 into 25 into 4. 900. So your answer is
सर
what
1
was
by
else? 8 by
900.
now
1
next
by
one.
हाँ सर
Okay, now do this question. Okay, now please note down the notes which I am giving to you. Then we can do rest of the questions. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So now this type of problem will be given to you, and this type of approach you need to apply for it. Okay, please try to understand. See, they will give you a question in exam as this. Find the greatest number that will exactly divide x, y, z. So this is the question. What is the question given? Find the greatest number that will divide x, y, z. So when I speak about greatest number, you know GCD, greatest common divisor. So what I shall find? I shall find what? HCF or not? Required number is equal to HCF of x, y and z. Okay, that is the greatest divisor. Please make a note of this. So whenever you get a question like this, find the greatest number that will exactly divide x, y, z. Required number would be this. I'm giving you a question, solve it. Solve this question for me. So I'm giving a question with this. Come on, do this and tell me the answer.
Sir, 40 for the first one.
What?
40.
40, yes, it's very simple. What you need to do is you need to find out the HCF of these two numbers. So let's do this. 200, 320. What I can do for this? So very simple. 32 tens are and 20 tens are. Okay. Then here this 10 and 10 are common. So I took 10 here. Now again I can break this. I can write this as 2 into 5 into 2. And this I can write as 2 into 8 into 2. Correct? Now what are the common factors? I'll take 2 into 2, that is 4. Answer is 40. So now as a proof you can see, find the greatest number. If you get this kind of question any point of time in the examination, when they ask you find the greatest number that will exactly divide any of the numbers, the answer would be the HCF of these numbers and the answer is 40. 40 is the greatest number which can divide these two. Yes, 45s are and 48s are. Okay, let's go ahead. Question number 2, situation number 2. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Situation number 2. Find the greatest number that will divide x, y, z, leaving remainders A, B, C respectively. Oh, sorry. Okay, just leave it. I'm writing here. Find the greatest number. So when I say you about greatest, one thing which should come to your mind is HCF. Number that will divide X, Y, Z, leaving remainders A, B, and C respectively. So what is the approach for this? So required number would be X minus HCF of X minus A. See, this is the number. Find the greatest number that will divide this, leaving remainders this. This is the dividend. Okay, we need to find out the divisor. So dividend minus remainder, HCF of X minus A, Y minus B, Z minus C. Okay, so this is the trick you need to apply. So write down the question number 2. So these kind of questions you can expect in the exam, not the simple ones. Come on, do this. Yes, what's the answer?
Well said.
Hello. What? Hello.
12 is the answer, sir.
12?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, find the greatest number that will divide 148, 246, 620, leaving remainders this. So first what you need to do is 148 minus 4. Then 246 minus 6. 623 minus 11. So what are you getting here? And here?
612.
So now what you need to do? You need to find out the HCF of this. So did you get the HCF as 12 for all of them? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do the next question. Next situation. Just give me a second. I'm coming back. 2 minutes.
Who all are in 12th grade here? आप लोग में से कोई 12th में है?
Yeah, I'm 12. By 12 का ये.
क्या स्टेट बोर्ड और सीबीएसई?
State.
स्टेट. ओके ओके. Tomorrow there is a meeting.
What? I said
Yes,
1 minute. I'm coming back.
Yes, sir.
Now next question. Find the greatest number that will divide XYZ, leaving the same remainder in each case. So the required number is x minus HCF of x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. So please take this situation. Two minutes I'm giving. Find the greatest number that will divide XYZ, leaving the remainder. Okay. So question. Do this question. Come on, do this. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. You just leave this question. I'm giving you one more question. This you can do afterwards. I'll guide you. 2 minutes. As per this situation, do this question. Okay, you continue the same thing. Find the greatest number that will divide come on, do this. Okay, tell me the answer.
4, sir.
I'm waiting.
Sir, 4 is the answer, sir.
Answer
4.
4. No, no, no. See, the answer would be 4665 minus 1305. Since you cannot subtract this from this, I am subtracting this from this. Then next one, 6905 minus 4665. You should find the HCF of this. And then 6905 minus 1305. The differences of this, what you get, you should do the HCF of that. You'll get the answer. Come on, do this.
1120, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's right. 1120.
Yes, sir.
All of you done this question? So I'll give you the next situation, last and final situation of the day. Rest we'll do tomorrow. Okay, next question, please take this. Okay, why don't you do this question? Do this question. So how to do this question, find the greatest number that will divide this, and this, leaving remainder 3 in each case. What will you do? You should do the HCF of 190 minus 3, 258 minus 3, 394 minus 3. Now after subtracting 3 from all of them, find out the HCF, you'll get the answer. Do this fast. Fatma? Hello? Okay, you can do it, no problem. Hello? Yeah, what's the answer? Okay, all of you do one thing. You do this as homework today and tell me the answer tomorrow. Fine. See, tomorrow also I'm going to take the class. So evening 7:30 to 9:30 tomorrow's timing. Okay, be ready for the class.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Thank you all of you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.